Hey, I'm Eric. I review security cameras, and today I'm taking a close look at the TP-Link Tapo TCW30 Indoor and Outdoor Smart Wired Pan and Tilt Camera. If you're already considering this specific model, stick around, because I'll walk through how it actually performs and who it really makes sense for. And right up front, if you're looking for a better alternative camera with more features and better bang for your buck, make sure you check the link in the first comment and in the description below. The TP-Link Tapo TCW30 is designed to work both indoors and outdoors, and that's a big part of its appeal. It comes with an IP65 weather resistance rating, so rain and dust are not a problem. This makes it flexible if you want one camera that can move from inside your home to a covered outdoor area without worrying about durability. One of the main highlights here is the pan and tilt functionality. You're getting a full 360 degrees of horizontal coverage and about 152 degrees vertically. In real-world use, that means this single camera can cover an entire room or a wide outdoor space without leaving blind spots. The movement is smooth, and when paired with motion detection, it can automatically track activity as it happens. Video quality is another strong point. The TCW30 records in sharp 2K resolution, which is a noticeable upgrade over standard 1080p. Faces, objects, and movement are much clearer, especially when you need to review footage later. This clarity really helps when you're trying to identify what actually triggered an alert. TP-Link also includes smart AI detection on this model. The camera can tell the difference between people, pets, and vehicles, which helps cut down on unnecessary notifications. Auto-tracking kicks in when motion is detected, and the camera physically follows the subject, keeping it centered in the frame. For a budget-friendly camera, this feature works better than you might expect. Night vision is handled in two ways. You get standard infrared night vision in black and white, plus color night vision using built-in spotlights. The color night footage can be very useful, but it's worth noting that the spotlights are fairly bright. That can be a plus for visibility, but in some setups, it may feel a bit intense. For storage, the Tapo TCW30 supports local recording with a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. This is great if you want to avoid monthly fees and keep footage stored directly on the camera. Two-way audio is also included, allowing you to hear and speak through the camera using the app. Now, while the TCW30 offers a lot for the price, it's still smart to compare it against other options. If you want to see a better alternative camera with stronger features and overall better value, check out the link in the first comment and the description. It's worth taking a look before making a final decision. So overall, the TP-Link Tapo TCW30 is a solid indoor and outdoor pan and tilt camera with sharp 2K video, reliable AI tracking, and flexible storage options. It's especially appealing if you want wide coverage from a single camera without spending a lot. Before you decide, though, I highly recommend clicking that link in the comments or description to see an alternative camera that may give you even more features and better bang for your buck. That extra comparison can make all the difference.